Hello and welcome to a new lesson. In this lesson we will verify if the secure shell is installed on a Linux machine or not. But first, let's agree that SSH installed by default in most of Linux distributions. But you may find SSH not installed by default in some Linux distributions until you choose to install it during the installation process. Now let's verify if the SSH is installed or not. From the Linux terminal, I will type the command SSH -v capital. The -v option here will verify the SSH version for us. Now I will press enter. As you see in the output result, there is open SSH 6.6.1p1, which verifies that this Linux machine has secure shell installed on it. The secure shell is OpenSSH and the version of OpenSSH is 6.6.1p1. Okay, now let's see the result for the command SSH -v on a Linux machine that has no secure shell installed on it. I will bring another terminal for a machine that has no secure shell installed on it. I will type the same command SSH -v capital to verify if secure shell is installed or not. Then I will press enter. As you see in the shown result, a message appears telling me that SSH command not found, and this message means that secure shell is not installed on this Linux machine. But as we agreed before, the SSH is installed by default in most of Linux distributions. And by the end of this lesson, we have seen together how to verify if the SSH is installed on Linux machine or not. Thank you for watching and see you in the next lesson.